Good afternoon, everybody. Well, okay, thank you. The time is given to me. First of all, the honorable of audience. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to present my paper about identifying the difficulties learning for gymnastic in distance education, a case study of public and private elementary school. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see on the screen. There is some problem in the topic. Mainly, during the pandemic COVID-19, the Ministry of Education and Culture has made a policy for education by conducting distance learning. And you know that physical education, sport, and health is the lesson conducted in elementary school. This lesson needs more practice than discussing theory. The problem with distance learning is that most sport teachers can only provide right assignment with a minimum approach. It makes students cannot correctly practice body movement techniques. For example, the standard physical education sport and health in grade 5 is that students can practice combination of large exercise with the tools by putting safety first. The value of discipline and courage. The learning objective can be obtained when the teacher provides theory, instruction, and example to guide students in practicing various floor exercise movement by the approach. Therefore, sport teachers today face a significant challenge in ensuring that their lesson can be carried out correctly in online learning. Based on the observation at public school, especially at Madrasah Ibtidaiyah State 11, the researchers conclude that the floor gymnastic learning process was not very successful. It was not supported by adequate infrastructure, and students were afraid of doing so floor gymnastic exercise. Based on these problems, the author are interested in exploring the difficulty level of learning floor gymnastics. Unlike private schools, especially lab school Cibubur, most students do not have difficulty learning for gymnastics. I have the purpose of this research is to analyze difficulties experienced by the lab school, elementary school, and Min 11 West Jakarta in the running the floor gymnastic class. And my research question are what kind of difficulties experienced by lab school and Min 11 in running the floor gymnastic class, and what kind of techniques used by the teacher in the school. My research method use mixed method, especially concurrent triangulation. This research used quantitative and qualitative methods in a balanced manner of 50%. This research was conducted at the same time to obtain information on the comparative difficulty of learning floor gymnastics in public and private schools. The powerful method is done by a circulation instrument to see the difficulty of learning floor gymnastics in grade 5 students in both schools. The respondents were grade 5 students of Min school numbering 78 students and lab school numbering 40 students, along with collecting data with this questionnaire. Researchers conducting research with qualitative method with interview to a sample of respondents who have filled out questionnaires. In addition, researcher also interviews principal and sport teacher. Researchers observe in various learning process from each school through Zoom meeting and other learning media. There is the research instrument. I have three respondents. There are principal, teacher, and student. I give the open question for the principal and teacher, and then I give the multiple choice for student. Result and discussion. The results show that there was a description of the average difficulty of learning for exercise in elementary school, especially lab school, and Min 11. Uh, each uh, each school has grade 5 students who have difficulty learning for exercise, but there are difference in inhibiting factors. Internal inhibiting factors consist of physical, psychological, and fatigue or stamina. There are 22% of students who experience psychological barriers, while 78% are happy even though they have to learn by themselves. They're focused, confident, and motivated in learning floor gymnastics by themselves. There are 15% of students who have difficulty learning floor exercise due to fatigue, while 85% have no difficulty at all. The research data show that 55% of students face difficulties in self-learning floor gymnastics. It caused by internal inhibiting factor of student, namely physical. Meanwhile, other inhibiting factors are not significant. Based on the interview with sport teacher at lab school elementary school, it is known that the ideal body weight for the fifth grade student in ranging from 45 kilograms to 50 kilograms. During the interview, the gymnastic teacher explained how they carry for exercise lesson before the pandemic. In a class that requires a lot of practice and rises high, the teacher prepared the lesson plan as follows. The teacher hold face-to-face meeting 4 times, and each meeting, the teacher explained the theory and give example of step in doing floor exercise. The principal has a bold learning strategy. He encouraged teachers to learn and provide them with the tools and application which teacher could take advantage of in teaching during the pandemic. For example, Canva, Zoom, Seesaw, Google Form, PowerPoint, and YouTube. And how about the public school at Madrasah Ibtidaiyah State 11? The data show that 44% of the students have difficulties caused by the physical aspect, 66 on 66% on psychological elements, and 46% on stamina aspect. The student external factors that impeded self-learning for gymnastics are mostly school and family. The family factor contribute 73%, school factor 79%, and community as 45%. The sport teacher explained the lesson are carried mainly on theory and very minimum on practice during the pandemic. Previously, the floor gymnastic technique were taught in four sessions. Online learning on floor gymnastics is still delivered in 4 sessions where the teacher prepared learning material and videos that were distributed among the students via the WhatsApp application. Teacher conduct learning evaluation using Google Form. The principal explained that the school had been put to use the WhatsApp application, Google Form, and learning platform provided by the Ministry of Religion, namely e-learning mean 11jakarta.com. And the different approach in providing physical education material between the two schools are adjusted to school policies and characteristics of school condition. School equipped with complete facilities and infrastructure, creative teacher, parents' ability to provide children's learning facilities, and children learn ability to operate media. Distance learning can run to the maximum as expected. Conversely, if school, teacher, parents, student experience many obstacles, distance learning is far from expected. But in fact, distance learning physical education material is not only because of the availability of facilities and infrastructure, but how to build creative learning and learners. Interaction in sport learning is an essential process, I think. That way, teacher will better understand the difficulties that occur in student practicing floor gymnastics. In addition, with a creative learning system present by teacher, student will never feel bored and fatigue learning floor gymnastics. Relief is only from virtual learning. And I have summary. The research concludes that both students in the five grade facing difficulties in self-learning online floor gymnastic class, Two, the goals are different. The student at lab school have to deal with body weight, while student min 11 have to encounter external factors such as family participation and school facilities. Those findings lead to recommendation for teacher and parents. Teacher and parents have to provide appropriate learning plans, conduct and engage learning process, provide ways to access the learning results, give direct motivation and feedback to students. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you very much, everybody. And good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.